It is October, so is it time to hang up the old gardening gloves? Not quite, guys. There are still plenty that we could plant. I'm going to go over in this video on some things that you can plant so you can have a successful garden next spring. Also, I'm going to go over some things that I'm going to plant that I could still harvest this fall/winter. Let's get started with our October grow guide. First off, planting October is going to be awesome. It's going to be cooler, so you're going to have less pest pressure. You're going to also have less disease and pressure. So what are some things that you can plant and get a successful harvest yet this fall/winter? I'm going to plant some leafy lettuce, some spinach, some arugula, some radishes, some turnips, and some carrots. All these still will have time to produce a good root system, still be able to have time that if I needed to cover them up with a row cover, I can still get that in. Stay tuned this winter. I will have another growing in winter series. We're going to see what we can do this year. Last year we did mainly turnips. The carrots kind of fizzled out, but we're going to work on some things this year, and we're going to spread out some things. So we should have a better series this year with that. If you want to see more of that, click that subscribe button. Next, let's go over some things that are going to be vital to plant now to get a vibrant garden in the spring. Your number one thing that you're going to want to plant is going to want to plant garlic. Garlic can be planted anywhere between Columbus Day and Halloween if you're in zone 6B. Matter of fact, I love growing garlic so much, I just made a video on it. If you haven't seen that out, check that video out. Another thing you can plant this October to get a vibrant spring garden will be some spring bulbs. Stuff like your tulips and your daffodils are all going to come up in the spring. Now is the time to get those in the ground. October would be the perfect time for them. Also, October is a fantastic time to be planting some perennials. Stuff like your blueberries, strawberries. You could plant daylilies. You could plant coneflowers. All of these perennials can be benefited by planting them in October. You'll still get a bit of a start with them, and then they'll be ready for the winter, and then you'll be ready for them in the spring. Get a jump start on everything. So folks, our first frost day is coming up on us. Mine here is in October 18th. That's only 18 days away by the time this video comes out. That's not very far along. Then you have to remember, it is your first frost day, so why not still try some things? Your radishes have a short time frame to grow. You can always cover things up. You might still be able to get some warmer days even though you have a good frost date. It doesn't take that hard. It's not that hard to go out and cover up your garden with a cough if you have it ready to go. I'm going to be prepping my row covers. I'm going to have my stakes put up, my hoops put up. I'm going to have my cloth ready to go, so that way if I need to come out here because it's going to be cold one night, I can simply get that ready to go and put that plastic right over it, and we won't have to worry about frost. This is talking about extending your harvest. You're going to be able to extend your harvest well into November, sometimes even into the middle of December. Depends on how cold it gets, how quickly. So you can see there's still plenty of time to get stuff done in your garden. Don't let those cooler temps fool you. You should be able to get back out there, get something growing. I challenge you, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you are growing yet. What are you planting yet? Are you still going to plant anything in your garden? This is the last grow video we will have this year. We'll probably start them back up once we get time to plant our spring seeds. So if you want to see further videos like this, click that like button, click that subscribe button. Cheers everybody, and God bless.